the former Chief Minister of Goa and the present Defence Minister, has told us all that he is indispensable. He has said in so many words that the present Chief Minister is good for nothing. And third, he has said in as many words that he is coming back to be the Chief Minister of Goa after these elections. Now, this has very serious portents for the state of Goa. First is, this is an acknowledgement that for the last 4 years, the BJP has thrust upon Goans an incompetent person as Chief Minister of Goa. Not just Manohar Parrikar, but it is Amit Shah, it's Gadkari. Down the line, all these people have been telling the world that they have in Mr. Lakshmikant Parrikar a person who is incompetent, a person who has messed up Goa, and a person who cannot be trusted to lead the party at the hustings, nor to lead the government in the event they come to power. So my first demand is, Congress demands, that Manohar Parrikar apologizes to the people of Goa for having given us such an incompetent person as Chief Minister. Excuse me. First part. Second is, Mr. Lakshmikant Parrikar, if he has any sense of political propriety left in him, he must abdicate in protest that his own senior doesn't trust him.